Alright y'all, so if you came from the washing video, you already know what time it is. If you didn't, this is your first time seeing me, you're wondering why my hair wet, what's going on? Why you in that towel? You feel me? Gotta watch the last video. I showed you boys how to wash your hair correctly, keep it clean, what I do, the products I use, all that good stuff. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to braid your dreads, little future braids, you feel me? I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. I'm really gonna show you like one or two, because there's no reason for me to show you the whole head, because it's just the same things over and over. I might do like a time lapse, something like that. But without any further ado, make sure you leave a like for this, make sure you sub, and run intro.
Last night I had a dream that I reached on my goal. Smoking with whips by a bitch on the ball. Black medieval cats that came with a mo. Got gas like Florida, and I still remember them days I was broke. Then a bitch I couldn't even afford to get water.
First thing you're gonna wanna do is, like you saw, wash your hair, get in the shower, spray bottle, whatever you gotta do. Say what's up. Just to make sure that you wash your hair, make sure it's wet, make sure it's moisturized. And that's the first step in this process. We're gonna go right into it, no intro, no nothing. First step, get your comb. As you know, you gotta get your middle part right. I haven't had a retwist in months, so I got like a whole afro under my hair. But what you wanna do is go ahead and move your shit to the side, find where that middle part is. And you gotta get the tip of your comb, this point right here, the very edge of it, or you can use this if you want, and rake that shit down the middle so you can, you feel me, part it. You might have to pop a few hairs, bro. It's gonna hurt. That's why I hate retwisting. But get it, and then you keep parting your hair down the middle, just like that. You could also use gel, might be a lot easier. I'm not gonna use gel for my middle part right now, because I like to use like a decent amount of gel in general. So where I can spare on using gel, or where I don't gotta use gel, I'm not, type shit. Once you got your middle part, you gotta get your clip. It's what you need. You need clips, you need a comb. You don't need locking gel, but I'm gonna use locking gel. Once you got that part, go ahead and make sure you're holding it firmly so that it's like pressed down. And slide your clip in. Make sure you slide to the part and then let it clamp all the hairs in. Perfect, just like that. Very, very simple, very easy. You can even get another clip and put it this way. I think I will. Get that. That's it. So after that, you wanna separate your first row from your second row. So get it, pull it apart like these. You got your first row. Very, very simple. After that is when you want to get the line for the first row. Basically, you're doing the same thing. Move the hair apart so you can see where it is. And this is where I start using the gel, just so I can get the parts. Get your gel. I don't got too much gel. That's what I use though. Tyler Tulio with G. They got a review on this product right here. My locking gel of choice. Get your gel. Put that on the line. On where the part is. Don't put it up. You don't gotta put it on the hair. You can, but like spread it out type shit. Get it, put it on the line, spread it out. Get it, put it on the line, spread it out. Very, very simple, bro. I can't make this any easier of an explanation without just showing you in real life. So you feel me? After that, we gonna start doing the parting this way as well. This side, this part I like to use this side because it's just easy. Get that. Part it like these. And then, once again, gonna get the clip. Hold it. Now, since we're braiding it, you know you need 3 dreads to braid. So you're gonna get the 3 dreads, not 4, 3. And now you're gonna make the part on this side. Same process, I don't even gotta explain. I don't need to use gel for this side. I might not, probably won't. I'm looking at the mirror behind me too, by the way, so. Part looking pretty nice. And that's your part on that side. Get your comb, get your clip. Same deal. Now you have your 3 dreads parted in the section that it needs to be parted into. Now you're gonna start retwisting. Once again though, so get that part, get that dread, you got the 3 dreads in this section now, right? You just wanna retwist every dread individually now. I should be using gel, but I'm not going to. Get your clip. And now you got your first dread parted. Look at this section, a nice square. Last step, get your gel, put it on the base of the lock. Just the part that's not locked up. I don't like to put the gel on the part that's already locked. Might get a little more. Told you I want it to be crispy. Get that. Another good tip is when you do that, comb out the bottom. I just noticed that this makes it a lot cleaner for some reason. So once you do that, retwist. Palm roll just like this. You see what I'm doing? And that is how I retwist my dreads. If you want a regular retwist, you would just do this all around your whole head. braiding it, what we gonna do right here, get this dread, get another clip, and clip that boy so it stays. I like to clip it to another dread so they don't like start to curl up or nothing like that. And we're just gonna do that same process for the other 2 dreads in the braiding section. You feel me? I got a front taper, so I gotta make sure I comb out the hair that's supposed to be in the front taper, make sure they separate. Dread, twist it. Now we can start braiding after the dreads is retwisted. To braid, all you gotta do, take this right one, put it to the middle, left one middle, right one middle. And you just do that all the way down. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. Simple. Very easy, y'all. Very easy. I'm pretty good at it now, so I can go a little bit faster. As I can see my roots nice and tight. Ain't nothing getting loose, you feel me? It's my first time doing the braids with the black and red hair too, so I'm excited to see how it look, you feel me? Last thing you need is your handy rubber band. And to put it right at the edge. Just like that. And that is how you do the braids. Now, like I said, I'm not finna do this like the whole time because no one wants to watch me sit here and retwist my hair for 2 or 3 hours. So I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished product. But hey, give me like 1 second and I'll be right back. Y'all don't think I forgot about the back, did you? I'm finna teach y'all how to retwist the back of your dreads because I know a lot of y'all had that question. You'd be like, I can get the front real crispy and all that, but how am I supposed to do the back if I can't see it? And what you gotta do, you need a mirror, bro. And you need another mirror, like shit. Hey, don't look at me, I'm skinny. You need 2 mirrors. What you gonna do is get your big mirror, you know, the one you got on your wall, be able to see yourself, obviously. And then what you wanna do is just angle this mirror to a point where you can where you can see the back of your head, basically, you know what I mean? Like shit, it's really common sense. Get the mirror and angle it to a point where you can see the back of your head. As y'all can probably see in the camera, I can see where the mirror is, I can see the back of my head. All you wanna do is part it like that, basically. Nice and simple, nice and easy. It's not really too much for me to explain. I like to look in the small mirror so I can have the reflection in the big mirror. But like on small specific parts, I might get real close. As y'all can see, I parted the back already. Pretty close to as perfect as I'm gonna get. But yeah, all you gotta do is the same thing in the back. It's a little bit more tricky, but it's literally the same thing. Just get the mirror like that. You need 2 mirrors in order to do the back perfect. You can always still do the back without 2 mirrors, but it's not gonna be as crispy. But if you're trying to get it A1, like super crisp, you need both mirrors, bro. But yeah, let me finish this up. 1.5 hours, 2 hours. I don't even know how long it's been, bro, but I've been standing on my feet for so long. It's the finished product, man. I'm gonna give you the little 360. This is the front, right side, back, left side, in the front again, you feel me? I know you all peeped, I got a couple 2-strand twists. It's cause like the amount of dreads that I had to have 2 2-strand twists. So I was just gonna have 1 dread hanging out, and I was like, I'd rather have 2 2-strand twists. You know, y'all get it, y'all get it. But this is the final product, y'all. I hope the explanation was good enough for y'all. If you do want to see me like do my full head one day, I might like live stream on YouTube or something. So if you be interested in that, let me know down below if I should live stream me doing the whole thing. That's not gonna be for a few months though. Y'all know I hate retwisting my hair, and this shit hurt like hell, bro. But hey, man, it was worth it. Good results at the end of the day. I'm sorry I keep looking at the mirror, man. I ain't been this stiff in a second, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Better hide your girl. Y'all boys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment. It's razzaq, bro. I ain't got much else to say, man. You see it. You see it. So without any further ado, man, y'all boys stay safe, and I'm out of here.